Like this, we can take up the string which is any random string. So we can convert this thing into small letters or else capital letters. Okay, or else letters, or we can put the capital S. Okay, like using capital S syntax. If you compare the value which is stored in A and B, both are the result will be false. Why? Because it will compare the values in a string either in uppercase or in lowercase. In any format we give, then only it will compare. Okay, that's why we got an error here, saying that the string value which is stored in A is completely different from the string value which is stored in B. Okay, but sometimes we need to take out the string values in the list and we have to print. Like take a list. Okay, take a list, or else we can let me show you the format method. Print. So I am taking an index 0 here in curly braces 0, and next integer I need 1. Next index will be 1 dot format. So which format I need? So I have to specify the format here. Okay. So initially I need B, then I need A. Okay. If I hit enter, I will get like this. Python like this. Which this indexing concept is completely suitable in the list concept. Okay. I'm copying this thing. Sorry. I'm copying this thing and pasting here. Okay. If I give the space, then I will give the space value. So meaning that the value of B is given the index as 0. The value, the string value of B is given the index 0, and the value of B, sorry, value of A is given the index value of A. Okay. So for better understanding, let's take a list. Python, comma length. Okay. So I will paste this thing format L. Okay. Syntax error. Okay. I will go this space here. It is saying that it is out of its positional value. Okay. It's not suitable. It's not giving the value for list values. Okay. We can come to this later. Arguments for tuple. If the if it is tuple, then we can take up the copy and paste. Copy, paste of the thing. I'm writing in tuple. Enter. Okay. So tuple is a replacement index out of range. Okay, replacement is out of range for the positional argument tuple. So it only validates for only independent. We can conclude that it is only valid for independent string values. Independent string values. Okay, it's not in the format for list value. So if you want to print the values, you can directly write like this: E of 1, oh, sorry, L of 1. What happened? What is in the L? Python command language, which is in the L dot mm, pop means it will remove. This got clear carpet and okay. Let's take this list function, copy and paste this thing. L of 1. Okay, we got L of 1. L of L of 1 space L of 2. It's not 2, it is 0. Syntax error. Why? Because the if we write like this, it will not interpret as in a list values. So in order to do that, you have to use the plus symbol. You can learn Python like that, you will get. So if you want the space, what you can do, you have to use the space here. Double quotations, just a space. Then you will get the space value. If you want to mention the list values, then you can write like this. But if you want to add up the values which are in independent string values, then you can write the format like this. If you have if you have multiple formats, sorry, if you have multiple string values, then you can use this function as a parameter. Okay, and let me okay. So I already told you we can find the length of the object using function called length. Okay, and we can just type the values. Okay, type the values using strip method. Okay, I will show you. So wherever the function is, yes, yes, t or like it. Okay, strip. If you mention empty basis, if you mention an empty basis, you will get you are getting the string value. Okay, but we can do some strip what we will strip by. It will not use the value, it will use the error. Let it be. So strip function removes the empty spaces. Actually, it removes the empty spaces. Since we don't have empty spaces, it is not showing up. Okay, let's say I will take some empty spaces like this. Okay, we have st or IP. Okay, so if I hit enter, I will get the cleared the string value without any empty spaces. Okay, like that we can use the strip function, strip method. Okay, and we can replace the values. We can replace the values with empty functions also. Uh, We can see that later, and we can check whether the number present, whether the character is present in the variable is a numeral, is alpha, is al, ph, is alpha or not. So if it is correct, we will get true statement. Okay. Why we got all as a false? Because we have empty strings not here, so that's why we are getting false statement. So if it is like this, without any empty spaces, then we will get then it will indicates that it is a true statement. And if you have numbers, okay, if you have numbers, you can check whether it is a number or not. Cheat a dot equals to 1 by 1 2 3 4 a dot sometimes it is not showing up a dot say 1 2 3 4 so b dot there is no attribute, there is 3 equals to return. Okay, so we have to mention in string in the quotation mark 1 2 3 4, then it will ask whether it is a digit or not. Okay, we will get two statement. Why? Because the comparisons will happen only in the string format only. Okay, in string format only. Okay, and here dot we can replace the string. If the string consists of any empty spaces like this, okay, so we can check whether the string consists of empty spaces or not. Is a space, but string consists of spaces or not. But we got false statement. Why? Because this statement includes the string value also. So let's say there is an empty string with empty spaces. Okay, if we check for this is space is space, then we will get true statement. Why? Because there is no string value here. Okay, it is an empty space, so that's why we got true statement here. Okay, and we can replace the things also. A equals to what is the value of a 5? So I made a mistake. So this is the first index. Okay, second index I must get y. Okay, so that's why I have to replace the value. Okay, so in order to do that, I have to use a dot replace. So which one I have to replace? Second one, no? U. With which letter? Y. Okay, but these two must be in quotations only, then only it will exclude. Okay, py th. I have to remove this o now. This I. So what I have to do? I have to store this thing in a variable or any other variable I have to store. Okay, then I can perform the operation a dot replace. Okay, I have to replace the value of I, which I have to take in quotation marks. Okay, then I will get Python. Like this, we can modify the string values, or else you can take copy and paste and take space. Then you will get the where you missed the word. You will get. Okay, where you replace the word, you will get using some spaces or brackets or dashes. It's your choice. Okay, these are things which will that are lifted off. Okay, so another thing is in the string operations, so we have to check the palindrome. So how to check the palindrome? So a equals to 1 2 3 4. Say suppose a equals to a s d f. Okay, g quotation marks. Okay, so what I have to do? I have to check whether it is a palindrome or not. So in order to do that, we have to use string operations. If a is equals to a of double quotation minus 1. So this indicates that if the negative index of that variable is equals to the actual format, then we can print some VOLY. Okay, point. So I have to quit back, else print not. Okay, since we know that the string value which is present in the a variable is a palindrome, so we will get two statement. Oh, so we got poly. Okay. So if you change the thing, copy and change equals to some 1 2 3 4. We have to mention in index quotations. Why? Because index values performs only in quotation marks. Okay, it's not a palindrome. 1 2 3 4 5 6 is not a palindrome. Okay, so you have to consider the concept of the negative index and positive index. So if you want to compare entire string completely, you have to compare the entire string. Then you have to use two columns. Then you have to use two columns. Okay, and let me show you something. Okay. So I have to. These are the concepts which I missed in the string values. I missed some topics in the list also. So what is the list? Okay, Python and language. Let me add some values to the Python. L dot append. Okay. So what I have to append? I have to take up two. Okay. It is appended. L dot append. So what I have to append? Some ASDF. Okay. So if I check for, I got four values now. So what I'm doing is This is a zero index. Okay, this is the first index. This has second index. This has third index. Okay, and simply take it like this from 0 to 3. So I don't want this Python lang 2. Instead, I need what I need some 0 comma 1 comma. So I will take 2 only. Why? Because we have only 0 1 2. We will take 2 0 1. Okay. If I hit enter, if I check for the L, what I got 0 1 5. Okay. If you don't want this thing, what you can do, you cannot do anything. You cannot do anything. Okay, just it will be added like that only. From 0 to 2, 0 1 2. So total three variables are replaced with the string values or integer values. Okay, like this we can add entire list. Okay, we can add the entire list, or else you can remove also with the empty values 0 comma 2 allow 0 equals to some empty. So if I take L, so the complete values are gone. We added 0 1 5 now. 0 1 5 three integer values we have added using the concept from 0 to 2. It is just like a replacement. Okay, but later I found that I don't want that thing. Okay, so I can mention empty string so that the values which we are up and which we are added will be gone. Okay, and if you want, say suppose 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. So I want to delete some numbers in this list. So what I can do, sum of the numbers from 2 to 5, 2 to let's say 4. Okay, so what I have to mention, I have to mention delete function. I have to mention delete function. If I delete syntax like this, the numbers from second column, the numbers which have index value 2 to 4 will be removed. Okay, will be removed. You can check the index values also. Okay, if you are interested, you can check out the index values also. Or else you can take like this, b equals to del from 2 to 4. So if I hit, I shouldn't mention the space. Copy and paste space del which I have to delete L. Let it delete. Syntax error, invalid syntax. Why am getting what is the value stored in B or else G there is no value. G equals to then from 0 to 3 invalid syntax. Why we are getting? So it's not taking it's not taking the values from the A list. Okay, if you directly write, it will not take as well. G equals to del from 2 to 4. It will give the error also. Okay, so what we have to do, just we have to mention the string value and we have to delete the values which you are interested. 2 to 4. Still I am getting error. Delete from 2 to 4. Okay, it is executed. Let me assign this thing to the variable called G. G equals to paste. Then it is giving syntax error. Just if you run like this and check for the L, you will get values, but G equals to underscore. If you check for the G, you got the values. Like this, we can those values. Okay, let me clear you the errors which we have. Just wait a moment. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good morning. Time. Hello. I'm phone చేస్తా క్లాస్ లో చేస్తా. Okay. Taking the list L equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay. Some values I got. So I